Once upon a time, in a quiet village surrounded by misty woods, lived a gentle boy named Jaka. One rainy day, he sat alone beneath an old tree, missing someone he loved deeply. While walking near the forest edge, Jaka heard a tiny sound. There, trembling in the cold, was a little bird with a broken wing dot. Without hesitation, Jaka reached out and carried it home. In his small wooden hut, Jaka cared for the bird with all his heart. He gave it water, warmth, and whispered kind words. Day by day, they became more than friends. They became hope for each other. Even as the rain poured outside, Jaka and the little bird sat quietly by the window. They watched the world together, sharing a silence that spoke louder than words. But the cold days grew longer, and Jaka grew weaker. He had little food and less strength, yet he never stopped smiling and never stopped caring for his tiny friend. Then one morning, the bird spread its wings and flew. Jaka watched with a soft smile, his eyes closing gently, as if ingu, goodbye, little friend. That day, the sky was brighter than ever. The little bird soared high, over trees, rivers, and mountains. It carried with it the kindness of a boy who gave his heart so another could fly.